Hello everyone, you're watching Tech with YOLO and today we're gonna search the web for laptops. Doing one of my favorite things on camera is going to be very entertaining for me, and if you feel the same way, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and share. If you're looking for buying laptops, here's some advice. Do not buy laptops for 30,000 or less. Those are going to be painfully slow to use and they'll be able to perform only basic tasks such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint and internet browsing. If you just want a device to perform such basic tasks, then it is better to buy a smartphone. Or if you want to do more, then buy refurbished laptops from Amazon or your local dealers. There are quite a few decently powerful refurbished ThinkPad tanks available in Amazon. Buy laptops according to your requirements. Ryzen 5 Gen 3 Plus or i5 Gen 6 Plus with 8GB of RAM and an SSD should do the trick for most normal users, which comes around 45,000 at the time of making this video. I'll make a separate video on how to select laptops. In this video, we are going to be browsing for above normal requirements, that is, a machine that is capable of performing basic tasks such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint and internet browsing as well as demanding tasks. My favorite price sweet spot for this spec in 2021 is around 50,000. This requirement should match for entry-level gamers, editors, developers, designers and architects who are looking to buy the least expensive and the best laptop, which requires at least Ryzen 5 with a decent graphics card and 8GB of RAM. The same spec was available for 40,000 before pandemic, but since everybody wanted laptops during COVID, high demand pushed prices and they are not coming back now. Now let's go hunting.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I browsed the internet for 2 whole hours and selected top 5 best quality laptops.
Lenovo IdeaPad L340 Gaming takes the 5th spot. Powered by 9th Gen i5 processor with 8GB of RAM and GTX 1050 with 4GB of GDDR5 memory to handle graphics, a 1TB hard disk handle storage and 45 Wh for the battery, which Lenovo claims to last 9 hours. Full HD IPS LCD for the panel with 250 nits max brightness that covers 45% NTSC. This laptop retails for $49,990 on Flipkart. Some devices may not be displayed on the company's website when they go out of stock. E-shopping websites would have stocked them already and so will be able to display the product for sale. So it's generally safe to buy from e-shopping sites too. I'll use Flipkart and Amazon product links when the stocks have run out on the manufacturer's website and when Flipkart or Amazon quotes better price. On the 4th place, we have the HP Pavilion gaming laptop powered by 3rd Gen Ryzen 5 processor with 8GB DDR4 for RAM and a 1650 with 4GB GDDR6 graphics memory. The HP Pavilion is equipped with 1TB hard disk for storage and a 52.5 Wh battery. Has the same display as the Lenovo L340 gaming laptop. HP Pavilion is selling at Flipkart for 50,990 rupees. All product links will be in the description. Asus VivoBook Gaming powered by 9th Gen i5 processor with 8GB DDR4 for RAM and a 1650 with 4GB of DDR5 graphics memory for graphics. A 512GB SSD handle storage and this laptop comes with a 42 Wh battery. Asus has not officially specified how long the battery backup will last. Display is the specialty of the Asus VivoBook. This Full HD LCD panel covers 100% of sRGB and maxes out at 300 nits brightness. If your work requires such display accuracy, then this laptop is the banger for you. Asus VivoBook retails at Flipkart for 54,990 rupees. Lenovo IdeaPad 3 gaming laptop secures the 2nd spot. This laptop is powered by 4th Gen Ryzen 5 and GTX 1650 for graphics. The IdeaPad Gaming 3 comes with 8GB of DDR4 RAM and 4GB of GDDR5 graphics memory. On the storage front, this model only comes with a 256GB SSD. So speed is not going to be a problem, but quantity could be an issue. I myself would make a 100GB partition for the OS and keep the rest for storage, which should at least last me for 3 years, and after that you could always add more storage or simply buy an external drive. A 45 Wh battery promises to keep this laptop alive for 6 hours, and for the display you get a 60Hz IPS LCD panel with 45% NTSC and can get bright up to 250 nits. Color accuracy of the panel is pivotal for creative workflows and all laptops in our list are decent in that aspect. Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 also has rapid charging that charges from 0 to 80% in 1 hour. This variant ships with DOS and not Windows. You can install Windows after purchase for free, or if you don't know how to, service centers charge a maximum of 800 rupees for installing genuine Windows without license or pirated complete Windows. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop sells for 51,680 rupees at Lenovo's website. Acer Aspire 7 is the #1 best value laptop around the 50,000 price segment. The Acer Aspire 7 powered by 3rd Gen Ryzen 5 processor with 8GB DDR4 for RAM and a 1650 Ti with 4GB DDR6 graphics memory. The 1650 Ti has a 7% higher score compared to 1650 in synthetic benchmarks and is the highest powerful GPU in this price segment. 512GB SSD handheld storage, and 7 hours is the promised battery backup. You get a 60Hz IPS LCD panel with 45% NTSC and can get bright up to 250 nits. Acer Aspire 7 retails for 52,990 on Flipkart.
That brings us to the end. Let me know if you guys need this type of video for different segments. Make sure to like, subscribe and share this video. It's me YOLO and I'll see you in the next one. Tada!